Hello there. Welcome to 2QuBits. We're a channel that's all about delivering quick, bite-sized pieces of information on the latest news, trends, and insights in the world of emerging technologies and buzzworthy topics. We're here to make learning about complex topics accessible, engaging, and most importantly, fun. We know that technical jargon and complicated explanations can be a real drag, so we break things down into easy-to-understand language and provide real-world examples that will help you see how these technologies are changing the world. We believe that knowledge is power, and we want to empower you to stay informed about the latest developments in the world of emerging tech. So whether you're a tech enthusiast, a curious learner, or just looking to stay up to date, we've got you covered with informative and entertaining content that you can enjoy anytime, anywhere. So join us on this journey of discovery and learning, and let's explore the fascinating world of emerging technologies together.